Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. In today's video, I want to talk about 3 free mulches that you could use in your backyard garden to mulch your plants and your trees. So in this video, that's what I'm going to talk about coming up. So I've been on a few lists for free wood chips. I really want wood chips. That's my favorite kind of mulch. And I hate buying it because I know that sometimes you can get it for free. And I just happened to not get lucky this year and I haven't gotten any wood chips. So I'm looking to mulch not just my trees, but also my chickens in my chicken pen. They need some wood chip mulch to keep their run a little bit more sanitary. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a few things that I'm using in my backyard that didn't cost me a penny to mulch a whole bunch of different things. So first, I want to talk about mulching my trees here. And what I'm using right now is comfrey. So I talked about comfrey in one of my last videos, but man, look at the size of these leaves. Holy moly. So I talked about this plant more in detail. I'll put a link to that video where I talked specifically about 3 different uses for comfrey. But right now, one of those uses is a green mulch. And that's exactly what this is. I really want to help out my fruit trees produce some fruit. So right now, I'm going to be putting these comfrey leaves here all around it. I want to suppress weeds from coming up. There's a lot of competition here with this apple tree from grasses creeping in, so I put down some not really cardboard but paper from chicken feed bags just to cover the ground, and all this green material is going to break down. And the comfrey, like I talked about in my comfrey video, very full of lots of different nutrients, very high in nitrogen. It even has protein in it, so you could feed this to your chickens, which I have done a little bit of. So I'm going to do this all around my fruit trees here. I'm going to put a layer of these. I have a ton more comfrey that I haven't even picked. This is just from 1 or 2 plants. So what will happen is these leaves will break down and all the nutrients from the plant got absorbed in these leaves, and these leaves are going to break down right on the soil and put it right back into the earth and hopefully into this tree and give it a boost for next year, and hopefully let me get some more fruit production from this apple tree, which I haven't gotten any. So this is what I'm going to do right now with my other trees too. Here at the base of this tree, I actually have comfrey planted right at the base to help give this Honeycrisp apple tree a little bit of a boost as well. But I'm just gonna put some of these leaves down to break down right on the soil. And then I'm gonna do another layer of something else that I can get for free in my backyard right now to put on top. Here we go. Gold right here, leaves falling from the trees. These leaves are full of nutrients as well. And these, when they break down on top of the soil, are gonna create a really nice mulch for the tree, and also feed my fruit trees some nutrients. Will help suppress weeds, and yeah, will hopefully help my fruit trees grow. Now I'm gonna layer these leaves right on top of that comfrey leaves. A nice looking thick mulch here. Really like the way this is looking. All right, there you go. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna do the same to my other apple trees right now. So the last free mulch that I want to mention is a very easy and obvious one, and that's grass clippings. Right here, this is a mixture of grass clippings and chopped up leaves all in one. This is outstanding. Chopped up leaves is definitely going to be better than just the whole leaves, because they're already smaller and gonna start breaking down a lot faster than a whole leaf. So this is a really, really awesome free mulch where, for someone like me, or if you're in the same position where you were hoping for some free wood chips but didn't get any this year, or you need a lot and you still have things that need to be mulched, this is something that you could do really easily in your backyard and provide a lot of nutrients as well for the plants that you're mulching. Here's another thing I use these leaves for, is mulching my chickens' run. My neighbor actually did this for me. I really appreciate that. The ground in this run had gotten completely muddy and gross and pretty unsanitary, because I have them on a deep bedding system, and I intended to keep layering wood chips over wood chips over wood chips. And this bedding, these chickens basically turned all the wood chips that I had in here from last year into dirt and then to mud. So yeah, they needed a new layer of mulch, and these chopped up leaves and grass clippings are making them very happy. So this was free and the chickens are happy. You can't beat that. That right there is a nice thick layer of organic matter mulched on these trees, and I'm hoping they'll do better next year. And that's gonna wrap up this video on 3 free mulches that you could find right in your backyard. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.